Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a short video for you. I'm just gonna be doing my lip makeup, how to get a perfect lipstick on. But before we start, I'm just gonna tell you what we have using today. I'm using the Bite lipstick. I think that's shade Chai, and the Bite liner, I guess. And those were just the Sephora gift, the birthday gift from Sephora. But I really love those colors. They're so close to my signature color. That's the Sephora number 5 black short one. But today I'm also going to be using the Tartiest PRO GLOW, and I bought this from Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure if you could see it. It tastes like mint. It's just a clear gloss. And I'm also going to be using this Sephora palette. I think it was like $10 when I bought it. Isn't this amazing? And also the Sephora Colorful Gloss Balm in color Karma 23. Let me show you this. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but that's all I'm going to be using today. So let's start. First of all, I start by applying some kind of lip gloss, chapstick, just to make them softer and plumpier. I guess that's something. But I just apply it on. I leave it on for maybe 10-20 minutes until I feel like my lips are not stretching when I'm moving my mouth. So this really helps with the application of whatever you're gonna put on it, whether it's gonna be matte or glossy or anything. So after I leave it on for 20 minutes, I'll just take it off. And I don't like to rub because that might chap the lips and make it look not as perfect with the lipstick on. So I'm just gonna start with the liner. Let me get you closer. Ooh. Okay. So I just do the outside. Yep, just like that. But that's done. And then I use the actual lipstick just to fill it in. And so I could stop right here, but I really love the matte color. It's just, I love it when it's matte. So I just use a powder, some kind of a powder. I usually use some kind of a nude powder like this. If I want it to be lighter, I might use the white one, but I'll just go for one of those, either the brown, the white, or the nude. And I just get one of my brushes, and in this case I'm just applying this one, and I just go over it like that. That kind of also helps it stay on longer. So I just really enjoy the non-shiny look. I love the shiny look too, don't get me wrong, but the non-shiny look is usually what matches most of my makeup and my style. But I also want to say that I use this sometimes over it when my lips are chapped and I didn't have time to apply the chapstick under. So whenever I do that, forget the whole powder thing. If I didn't put on the powder, I would just apply this on. and that just helps my lips not be chapped and not chapped throughout the day, because it's just, this is really easy to apply. It's close to my color and it's close to the lip products that I'm using, so it's really easy to apply over anything. And you can also apply the some kind of a gloss over it. But another thing that I really like to do is highlight. I really like to go with like some kind of a shiny highlight. I'll just go right here. It just kind of gives a pop to the whole look. And sometimes I'll actually apply it on the lipstick. But yeah. But that is it. And if you haven't seen the eye makeup video, I'm gonna leave a link for that below. And I'm probably gonna be doing some more short videos like this so that you can see little things that you can pick from for your daily beauty. So let me know if you like this. Let me know if you want any other videos. Thank you guys for watching. I love every single one of you. Bye.